I didn't know what to cook, so I decided to make jollof rice. And I found this recipe actually very simple to make. And yeah, so this is my take on jollof rice. So this is actually my first time making jollof rice. So I just decided, you know what, let me try it out. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you know what I think about the jollof rice that I make. Watch until the end of the video. I'll see you at the end of the video. no. I want honest opinions. Don't exaggerate. Be honest. What do you think? How does it taste like? Don't lie. Please don't lie.
Honestly,
Honest.
it doesn't taste nice.
It doesn't taste nice. What do you mean? Why doesn't it taste nice?
Because it has tomatoes in it. And I have a problem with Nigerian food.
This is not Nigeria. This one is the Ghanaian.
Jollof rice.
Why don't you like
rice.
it? So you don't like it because why?
Because it's Nigerian food.
Be honest. Give your honest opinion. You tasted it. How does it taste like food-wise? I see you like the chicken, eh? But how does the rice taste like?
The rice has a little burn to it.
What?
It burns a little.
Okay, it has some chilies in it, yes?
And there are tomatoes in it.
So you don't like the rice? Is that what
No.
you're trying to tell me? So you don't like jollof rice? Let me taste it. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a taste now. Let me see. Me, I taste with all my senses. Smell wise,
What do you think?
it has flavor. It's very flavorful. My opinion is it's very flavorful. You know, I can taste the garlic. I can taste the curry powder. A bit of the ginger. For me, I don't know. For me, it's nice because I like my food to be flavored. Yeah. You know what I'll do? We'll ask my aunt her opinion. What does she think of it? Because he says he doesn't like it because he doesn't like Nigerian food. But let's be honest, he only likes snacks, so that's why he's saying it. He doesn't know quality food, you see. For me, it tastes nice.
Ew.
It tastes nice.
People, don't try this at home.
This is how it looks like. So this is the recording of my aunt's response to the jollof rice. I'm gonna play it now. It's in Portuguese, but I'll translate it to English. Better to feel tomato paste. Yeah.
Dapat sama.
Nah, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Nah, tomato paste.
Só que ainda tem tempo de receita. A minha receita. This is quite alles in, mas tá nice.
So my first time making jollof was a success. Next time I'll just use less tomato paste and add more water so that the rice can cook perfectly, and then it was fine. So I'll see you in the next video.